Today's world is full of threats. Ethnic and religious conflicts, terrorism and organized crime affect every corner of the globe. The priority is to ensure the security of economic, military, and civilian buildings. Terrorists and criminals use the latest technological achievements, including unmanned aerial vehicles, commonly known as drones. Only in 2017, more than 2.8 million drones were sold worldwide, which means that the threat is growing at an unprecedented scale. Drones are a great toy that came along a few years ago. However, this toy has turned into something not very nice. There are people who use drones for malicious purposes. Hertz Systems Limited, a Polish company with 30 years of experience in design and construction of security systems, has decided to respond to threats resulting from uncontrolled drone usage. A group of outstanding specialists have been working on creating a reliable and effective technology. The team consists of several dozen people. We have engineers from various fields, starting from GNSS to radars, software developers, testers, analysts, and architects. There are plenty of experienced people who have previously worked on such technologies in the Army or in other institutions outside Poland. On a daily basis, engineers from Hertz Systems carry out projects for the European Space Agency, institutions, and governments. Recently, we have developed the Hawk. This one-of-a-kind complex system effectively protects strategic airspace from intrusive unmanned aerial vehicles. This is a system for early detection and neutralization of drones. The basic element of the system is the set of sensors. The main sensor is a long-range radar with a range of about 5 kilometers. It is used for early detection of intrusive unmanned aircraft in protected areas in which drones are not allowed to fly. Radar and cameras are primary elements of the Hawk system. The other components of this technically advanced system are the neutralizer and command center. The devices, assembled with pinpoint accuracy, are equipped with software analyzing and visualizing information. To provide protection for both stationary facilities and mass events, as well as areas requiring mobility, the Hawk system can be used both stationary as well as on a mobile platform. The core elements of this system are personal neutralizers, devices for personal use. With this equipment, we can force the drone to land on the ground. The Hawk system enables real-time tracking and monitoring. Specialized software is able to distinguish drones from manned aircraft and birds, completely eliminating the risk of false alarms. The reliability of the gear has been tested many times in the field. In 2017, the mobile Hawk protected over 2.5 million people during the largest mass event in Poland. Hertz Systems can offer peace of mind with this product. The Hawk allows the user to neutralize drones flying in forbidden areas and force them to the ground. This is a tactically superior defensive system. I had the opportunity to inspect the Hawk system in detail. After some personal reflection, it seems to me that this will pay off. The system also analyzes the sound signal strength made by a swarm of unmanned aircraft. In a fraction of a second and with 100% efficiency, the Hawk sensors locate all flying drones. This system can be used in many different variations. For example, a mode for protecting the foreground, military maneuvers, civilian airports, or in non-urbanized areas. The risk of mid-air collisions makes drones a threat to manned aircrafts on approach or taking off from airports. Professionals who deal with the protection of facilities and people are fully aware that in terms of security, there cannot be any compromise. The Hawk system that allows the monitoring, detection, and neutralization of drones gives such people the advantage they need. Hertz Systems creates an individual project for each client. They also perform a professional audit on the protected facility in order to select the appropriate sensors.
Ja ten sprzęt znam dobrze, ale obserwowałem przy okazji ludzi.
I know this equipment well. I have observed people, the reaction of professionals, airport service, border guards, the police. They find this solution very useful because you cannot shoot down a drone with a slingshot. The Hawk neutralizer solves the problem and brings the drone down to the ground safely. At Hertz Systems, the strengths of the best engineers and specialists in communication, teleinformatics, and new technologies have been combined. As a result, the Hawk system has been created, a multi-sensor solution for the detection and neutralization of drones. Hertz Systems Limited is a Polish company that sets trends in the development and implementation of innovative solutions in the area of security and space technologies.